Hello and welcome to the third video of our series. As you may know by now, I am Manuel Villacorta, registered dietitian, nutritionist, and spokesperson of the California Avocado Commission, and author of 4 nutrition, wellness, and weight loss books. Sometimes cooking like a Californian involves adding avocado to dishes that usually don't have avocado in them, but they are made so much better because you did. One reason this is great is because California avocados are actually a fruit. So eating avocado every day can help you meet the recommended daily servings of fruits as outlined by the dietary guidelines for Americans. Today I'm making my new recipe, Wild Rice Pilaf with California avocado. To me, what makes this dish so California is the nutty flavor of the wild rice, the diverse color and locally grown ingredients like these bell peppers, walnuts, and of course, California avocados. The ingredients for this delicious and easy to make dish are low sodium vegetable broth, sea salt, wild rice, orange bell pepper, red bell pepper, walnuts, California avocado, and parsley. We start by adding the wild rice. Yeah, very nice. The vegetable broth. And salt. Into an instant pot. Now we're going to place the lid on the pot and turn it until it locks and make sure you seal the vent. Press the manual button and adjust the time to 25 minutes and the pressure to high. If you don't have an instant pot, don't worry. I provide an alternative stovetop recipe on the California Avocado website, californiaavocado.com. When the pot beeps, manually release the pressure. Let's add the bell peppers and the walnuts and mix well. The bell peppers will give you a serving of vegetables. The avocado and walnuts will add heart-healthy unsaturated fats, and the walnuts will also contribute omega-3s. Together, these ingredients make this recipe a nutritious powerhouse, providing 150% of the daily value of vitamin C and an excellent source of fiber, providing 36% of your daily value. And as a vegan dish, providing 24% of your daily value of protein. The combination of unsaturated fats and whole grains from the wild rice make this recipe heart healthy. Place the lid back on the instant pot and turn it until it locks into place. Make sure to seal the vent. So now let's press the button manual again and choose 3 to 5 minutes. The time you choose depends how soft or crunchy you like your vegetables. I'm choosing 3 minutes. Once the rice and vegetables are cooked, release with manual pressure again. Open the lid and transfer the rice mixture into a large bowl. Let's fluff the rice with a fork and add the avocado and sea salt to taste. And we're going to mix well. The last step is to add parsley. So we're gonna get a sprinkle of parsley on top. Beautiful. California avocados are virtually the only fruit that contain mono and saturated fat. Adding creamy California avocado to dishes is a delicious way to help increase your fruit and vegetable intake and add a heart-healthy whole food source of naturally good fats. Now the best part, let's taste the dish. Have a little bit here. Very delicious and easy to make. Now it's your turn to cook like a Californian and make my wild rice pilaf with California avocado. Thank you for watching. Please visit californiaavocado.com for these and other hundreds of recipes featuring delicious, nutritious California avocados.